Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials. Some of my fans asked me and requested me to editing the Indian type wedding photographs. So today I'll show you the process of editing, how to edit a portrait of wedding. And thanks to Anik Shah for this image, and let's start the tutorial. Hope all are in a safe place at home and maintaining the all rules prevention from the COVID-19 of WHO. Let's jump into the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. At first, press Ctrl or Command J. You will get a new copy of this layer, and then go to the filter, camera filter. You know, camera filter is plugins of the Photoshop in Creative Cloud and CS version. So if you are the user of the CS version, you have to install it manually. Please check out my video description for the download link. And if you are the CC version, you are getting this one by default in your Photoshop version. Okay, at first here some texture and the makeup like a fault I'll remove, and I'll smooth those things. How to do that? And let's see is there any spot visible. So I'm giving like that. Here is some spots. If I make it zoom, Ctrl or Command plus, here is spot. So that's good, visible. Okay, here is a little bit spot here, and here, and this portion as well. If you need, you can just edit or delete those portions, the spot areas. Okay, here some spot, little bit, and after that go to the tool, which is the brush tool, and I'm making it a little bit zoom out, and here I'll smooth that things. At first, just click once, you'll get the settings. So I keep the settings like this. If I, yeah, that's good. Here the smoothness, texture and other stuff, exposure 0.90, contrast I'll make it 5, that's good, and the highlights minus down, that is the minus 41, and shadow minus 9, and whites plus 10, and the texture I'll make the texture minus value, that's why it will make the skin smooth, and the clarity I make it like 52, minus 52. Dehaze, that's good, I'll make it like that. Saturation, I'll make it minus 2 or 3, that's good, and the sharpness minus 52, and the noise reduction plus 52. So I'm making these things the minus 52 and plus 52 or 53, that's good, and the noise reduction like that, and all the stuffs are same, the color size 10 like that. And now I'll brush over here. After brushing over there, the color will be changed a little bit, and the face will be smooth like that, and like that. Let's see, before one was like that, and after one you are getting like this. So now time for edit the other stuffs like temperature, tint and other stuff. So let's do that. I'm adding some exposure, adding some contrast a little bit, and the highlight a little bit down, and the temperature I'll make it like that. So if you want to get the like a natural tone, go to this one, the white balance portion, and you can choose up the white balance. From here you're getting the perfect white balance for your photographs. And here texture, I'll add some texture for that, and now I'll make it zoom a little bit, and before one was like that, after one you're getting like this. So here adding some shadow, blacks here, and the texture and dehaze like that, and before one and after one, huge change actually. And now add some sharpening, amount of sharpening and noise reduction a little bit, and here from here I'll change a little bit hue, red color, red hue will be like that, and the saturation, that's fine, and the luminance I'll increase the red, yellow and orange, and the saturation a little bit down of the orange and yellow, increase the yellow just because of the ornament color, and nice. and rest of the thing is good. Yellow, if I just give like that, yeah, golden color. If I change the hue of the yellow, is a little bit greenish, it will be like golden color. That's good. The split toning, shadow color and highlight color, and it will be the shadow or highlight color. And let's go for the shadow color. Yeah, shadow color will be like that. That's good. The before one and after one, and then a little bit vignetting over here, so midpoint and other stuffs you have to control. And from this panel I'll make it a little bit up. Green primary will be like that, and blue primary will be like this and this. Now tone curve, and going to the blue tone curve, making it a little bit down and like that. And the green, yeah, that's fine. I'll make it a little bit down and like that. That's good. And the red tone curve, nice. And then RGB tone curve, I'll lock up over here and add some gamma like that. So from here actually a little bit, not too much, and from here I'll make it a little bit cool. That's good. And add some exposure like that, and that tint like that. So before one was like that, and after one you're getting like this. Before and after. In a face you are getting huge change. If I make it zoom, in this panel, the before one, actually this one is after, and before one was like that. Before and after. So that's good. And here I'll make it a little bit dehaze like that, and the whites will be like this. The red color is good. All the things are good, and I'm saving these things and saving the settings, and I'll provide you that settings to you. So giving the name wedding or Indian wedding. That's good. XMP file is saved, and you'll getting that things, and hit the OK button. It will take time to give you the final output. The before one was like that, and after one you are getting like this. So here let's see, if I zoom it in, before one and after one, before and after, you are getting the smooth or the polished photo. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and don't forget to comment in my video comment section. If you want to get the download link of this preset, please check out my video description. And stay at home and stay safe. Please maintain all the rules from the WHO, and keep me in your prayers as well. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.